Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Welcome the Research Center Integration of Science and Islam. This research center, we are focused how to the max the clarify the some issue on the Islam by using science methods. For this time, we will discuss about the two kind of the calendar system, such as Hijri and X calendar system. The information about the two calendar system, the long time ago, the Quran have discussed about this calendar system by using Surah Yunus verse 5. In the one website, Quran.com, we can check the Surah Yunus verse 5 with the English translation. In this surah, there is the one main issue. You may know the number of years and the calculation of time by using the sun radiant source and the moon reflected light. From this Al-Quran, especially in the Surah Yunus, we have known there are two kind of calendar system, namely Hijri and X calendar system long time ago. But the most case, the data in the world is given by the X calendar system. So that why for our discussion today, we try to make the comparison of daily wind speed data modeling based on the Hijri and X calendar system. Our methodology for this time, we will collect the all data in the each month on the Hijri calendar system, like the Muharram, Safar, and Zulhijjah. It means we try to collect the data for all Muharram, and then we try to collect the data for all Safar, and then we try to collect data for the all Zulhijjah. This is for the all month in the Hijr system. And also in this research, we try to collect daily wind speed data for all January, for all February, and for all December. After we have the data, we try to make the modeling daily wind speed data based on the Hijri and the X calendar system by using two probability modeling such as gamma model and Weibull model. Of course, the first time to make modeling, we must to estimate the parameter for the each model. Okay, you can check by this table. This is for the Weibull model, and this is for the whole month in the Hijr calendar system. There is Muharram, Safar until Zulhijjah, and this is the parameter alpha, beta for the Weibull model. And also, this is for the whole parameter for the each month in the X calendar system for January until December. And in this one is for the gamma model. we have the all parameter for all months in the Hijri calendar system from the Muharram until Zulhijjah, and this is for the parameter gamma model for the all month in the X calendar system starts January until December. After we have this parameter, of course, we have the model. For the Weibull model, for the each month in the Hijr calendar system, like the Muharram until Zulhijjah, we have the 12 model. And then also for the Weibull, for all months in the X calendar system, start on January until December, we also have the 12 model. You can check by this table. And then for this one, for the gamma model. This one for the all month in the Hijri calendar system. And this table for the all month in the X calendar system. There are 12 model for the each calendar system. Okay. Number one is the representative January for the X calendar system. And then in the Hijr calendar system, number one is representative Muharram. Number two, representative Safar for the X calendar system. Number two for the representative February. Okay, after we have the model, we try to choose the best one using the one methods. We call that EKIK information criterion value. The smallest ij, we can conclude that the best model. So in this research, we have the 12 value for the IC. The red one is representative IC for the Hijr calendar system, and the blue one representative the IC for the X calendar system. You can check here from this graph the number ones and number two for the red one is smaller than the blue one. So it means number one and number two is representative for the Muharram and Safar in Hijri calendar system. The best model when we are trying to make comparison with the X calendar system. But we have the different result for the number four. Number four in the X calendar system, we call that April. But for the heater system, we call that Rabiul Akhir. We can check here. The blue one is smaller than the red one. So it means for the number for the months, for the first month, for the fourth month, the Masehi calendar system is the best when we are comparison with the Hijr calendar system. We can take the conclusion, not all model in the Masehi in the X calendar system give the best model. Sometimes the modeling by using Hijr calendar system is better than X calendar system. So from this our education today, I think it's very important to give the data for the all event in the words, not only in the X calendar system, but we must give the all data in the Hijri calendar system, because we have make the reset and we conclude the reset. Not all the month in the X calendar system give the best model. We have make this reset. So for the hour discussed today, when we are trying to make the comparison daily with speed data modeling based on Hijri and the X calendar system, we have found the one conclusion. Our government must given the data not only by using X calendar system, but for the next time, the government must given the whole data on the Hijri calendar system. Okay, I think it's very good discuss for this time. Maybe we will try to discuss about the another topics about the some issue Islamic using the sign methods. Radu Yendra and Islamic University Sultan Syed Qasim Riau. See you again.